Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to add a guest account for split screen on the Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage, and then from here press the Xbox button on your controller to access this menu, and then use the RB button and go to the profile and system, and then within the system settings, profile and system settings rather, select add or switch. And then from here, you should see the add guest option. So select add guest and then give it a few seconds. And now you have added a guest account on your Xbox Series X. So you can add as many guest accounts as possible. So let's go back and add another guest account. And then it will sign you in using another guest account. So that's basically it on how to add a guest account on the Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.